facial lifting. So this vampire facial lifting is a natural process where we induce collagen synthesis in your face. Basically, this process is introduced by a vampire company. तभी से इस प्रोसेस का नाम vampire facial रखा गया, जहां we combine two process. One is microneedling and PRP. So with the help of microneedling, what we are doing, we are initiating collagen formation and we inject the growth factors in form of PRP just to produce more amount of collagen to give a natural result to make the skin more shiny, smooth or rejuvenated. So before starting, what we are doing a block technique where we are giving external blocks. You can do this particular procedure by local infiltration or by surface anesthetic, but कभी-कभी patient को ज़्यादा pain होता है, तो in that condition you have to give blocks. So I will showing generally which types of blocks और हम लोग कहाँ पे blocks को देते हैं, plus local infiltration, then we are doing the case. Just particular forehead region, what we have supraorbital nerve and supratrochlear nerve. So this midpoint is our reference point. तो यहाँ से हम लोग 27 mm पे चलेंगे. That particular point is known as your supraorbital foramen point. So here what we have supraorbital nerve. From this midpoint to 17 mm there is supratrochlear. Okay. So generally what we put our finger at the lower border of the orbital rim. From this midpoint to 27 mm, hit the bone, aspirate and give block. 0.5 ml on each side. From this midpoint to 17 mm, hit the bone, aspirate. This is our supratrochlear block. And these blocks generally used to anesthetize the lateral portion of the forehead as well as the medial portion of it. Here what we have infraorbital foramen. So from here hit the bone, aspirate and deposit. You draw a mid-pupillary line. So एक लाइन जो कि आपका सुप्राऑर्बिटल, इंफ्राऑर्बिटल और यहाँ से पास करेगा. Here what we have mental foramen. So this is the extraoral approach for mental nerve. Filtration where आपको जहाँ पर अपना प्रोसीजर करना है, you have to give LA in that particular points. All are subcutaneous. Okay, so here we have a depth gauge system जहाँ से हम अब जितना डेप्थ हमें रखना होता है हम उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. Here what we have a derma tip and in a case where we have to do scar correction. So above 1.5 up to 3 mm we do a micro needling on the whole surface, on the whole face. Pain. So here what we are going, we are at 1.5 mm. So we are doing in and out movements. Generally what happen अगर आप 1.5 से ज़्यादा चलते हो and you give these type of circular motion, okay, so the chances of laceration or the chances of marks, post-inflammatory marks are there. तो अगर आप 1.5 mm से कम हो तो you can do the circulation motion. Otherwise the best way above 1.5 is this in and out. Any pain? in. Okay. Yeah. ERP in subcutaneous up to the dermis label. So there are 4 ways for injecting. The first way is known as the linear, where we go like this and we come out in a linear fashion. The another way is a fine technique where we put the needle and we rotate it like this. This is a fine technique. The another one is known as a serial puncher, where we gives more points, injecting points, and the last technique is the cross hatch, where we combine vertical as well as horizontal injections. Complete procedure is known as a vampire facial procedure or a vampire facial lifting, where we combine microneedling as well as PRP.